Give me a face like the AI filter. A plastic surgeon I know here in New York told me more and more patients walk in with a photo in hand and ask him to rebuild their face exactly like that. But it's not a photo of them when they were younger. It's a face generated by artificial intelligence. Going to a surgeon to look younger, we've always done that, nothing new. But now they want features no human being has ever had. Perfect symmetry, skin without a single pore, cheekbones drawn to the millimeter. A machine-made face, because a filter has no bones, no skin that ages, no age at all. You have your cheekbone, it draws whatever cheekbone it likes. It spits out a smooth face, identical left and right, perfect the way only a machine can be. And the brain takes it for a goal within reach. We already saw this with Instagram and Snapchat filters. 10-year-old girls made up and dressed like adults in front of the mirror, hunting for a flow that wasn't there before and never been there. Now it gets worse. Now the AI hands you back another species, a you that was never human. Now the app filters, toys really, get used as a mirror that convinces us the wrong face is the real one. So maybe I will find a cure for all our fears, but meanwhile, in 2026, people walk into a surgeon office holding the photo of a person who doesn't exist and ask to become that thing. What do you think?